Welcome to Mabel Daily English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mabel Daily English. I am Mabel.
And I am David. Hi, everyone.
David, tell everyone what happened last week.
Oh, no. Do I have to?
Yes, tell them.
Okay, so I went to McDonald's. The staff member smiled at me and said, "Hi, can I take your order?" And I just stood there, completely silent.
Silent.
I knew what I wanted, a burger, fries, a Coke, but the words just disappeared from my brain. I pointed at the menu and said, "This one."
This one.
She was very kind, but I felt so embarrassed. I just wanted to order a burger.
And today we fix that completely.
Yes, please.
Today we learn exactly what to say at a fast food restaurant, from the moment you walk in to the moment you pick up your food. Every sentence, every situation.
Every situation, even if something goes wrong?
Even if something goes wrong, you will be ready for everything.
I wish I had this lesson before last week.
Now you have it. But first, please give this video a like and subscribe to Mabel Daily English. It really helps us keep making lessons for you.
Thank you so much, really.
Okay, you walk into McDonald's, the staff member looks at you and says, "Hi, welcome. Can I take your order?"
And that is exactly when my brain shuts down.
Because you are not ready yet, and that is completely fine. You just need one sentence. "Can I have a minute, please?" Or, "Just a moment, please."
Can I have a minute, please? Just a moment, please.
The staff will always say, "Of course, take your time." Nobody rushes you.
Oh, that is so simple. I did not know I could say that.
You can always ask for time. Now, you look at the menu, you see something you want, but you do not know the name. What do you say?
I point and say, "This one."
No more "this one." You say, "What is that?" Or, "What is in this burger?"
What is that? What is in this burger?
The staff will tell you everything. What is in it, how big it is, if it's spicy. You never have to guess. Ask. They are there to help you.
Can I have a minute, please? What is that? What is in this? 3 sentences, and I already feel so much better.
3 sentences and you own the menu. Now let's order. Time to order. There are 3 ways to order food in English. All correct, all natural, all used every day.
3 ways? Which one do I use?
Any of them. They all mean the same thing. Way 1. I'd like.
I'd like.
I'd like a cheeseburger, please. I'd like a large fries. Polite, warm, perfect.
I'd like a cheeseburger, please. That sounds so natural.
Way 2. Can I get?
Can I get?
Can I get a Big Mac? Can I get a medium Coke? Very casual, very common. Young people say this all the time.
Can I get a Big Mac and a large fries? Yes, I like this one.
Way 3. I'll have.
I'll have.
I'll have the number 3 combo. I'll have a chicken sandwich. Confident and direct.
Oh, I'll have sounds like I already decided. Very confident.
Exactly. I'd like is warm and polite. Can I get is casual and friendly. I'll have is confident and direct. 3 personalities, 1 situation.
Haha, 3 personalities. I'll have a cheeseburger, please. That is my personality. Confident.
I'll have it is. Now, the staff asks, would you like to make that a meal?
Make that a meal? What does that mean?
It means, do you want to add fries and a drink? A combo, a set.
Oh, like a set meal. Yes, always yes.
Always yes. So you say, yes, please. Or, yes, I'd like to make it a meal.
Yes, please. I'd like to make it a meal. Large size.
Then, what drink would you like?
Can I get a Coke, please? Or I'll have an orange juice.
Perfect. Now, one of the most important questions at any fast food restaurant, is it for here or to go?
Is it for here or to go?
For here means you eat inside. To go means you take it with you. Some places say eat in or take away. Same meaning.
For here, please, or to go, please. That is easy.
Error lab. I make the mistake, you catch it.
Ready.
Yes, I want to make that a meal, large size, Coke please, and I want eat here.
I want eat here. No, it is for here, please, or I will eat here, not I want to eat here.
Spot on. For here please. Clean, simple, correct. Never I want eat here.
For here or to go. 4 words. Never forget them.
Now, special requests. So many people just eat something they do not like because they do not know how to ask.
Oh, I do that all the time. I hate onions, but I never know how to say no onions.
Today you learn, no onions please. That is it.
That simple?
That's simple. No onions please. No pickles please. No cheese please. You just say no and the ingredient, please.
No onions, please. No pickles, please. No cheese, please.
And if you want extra of something, extra sauce please. Extra cheese please. A little less salt please.
Extra sauce, please. I always want extra sauce, but I never knew how to ask.
Ha! Extra sauce please. 4 words that will change your life.
4 life-changing words.
Now, allergies. Very important. If you cannot eat something for health reasons, I am allergic to nuts. I am allergic to dairy. I cannot eat gluten.
This one is really important. People need to know.
Always say it clearly. The staff will take it very seriously. And if you are not sure what is in the food, does this have nuts in it? Is there dairy in this?
I am allergic to nuts. Does this have nuts in it? I can ask.
Always ask. Special requests are completely normal. The staff hears them all day. Now, price and payment. How do you ask the price?
How much is this? How much does it cost?
Both perfect. And how much is that in total? That means everything together, the final price.
Oh, in total. So I know the complete price before I pay.
Now, the staff reads back your order. So that's 1 Big Mac meal, large, Coke, for here. Is that correct?
And I just say yes?
Yes, that is correct. Or, yes, that is everything. Or, if something is wrong, actually, can I change that?
Actually, can I change that? I can change my order.
Always. Actually, can I change the Coke to an orange juice? Actually, can I add an apple pie? No problem at all.
Actually, can I add a chocolate sundae? Yes, I will definitely use that.
And then, payment. I'll pay by card. I'll pay cash. Or just card please. Cash please.
Card, please. Done.
After you pay, do you want your receipt? Yes, please. Or no, thank you.
Yes, please, for the receipt. Always, just in case.
Smart. Always keep the receipt. Last step, picking up your food. They call your number. You go to the counter. You check your order. What if something is missing?
What do I say?
Excuse me, I think there is a mistake with my order.
Excuse me, I think there is a mistake with my order.
Very polite, very clear. They will fix it immediately. Or more specifically, excuse me, I am missing my fries. Excuse me, I did not get my drink.
Excuse me, I am missing my fries. Excuse me, I did not get my drink.
And if your food is cold, excuse me, my burger is cold. Can I get a fresh one?
Can I get a fresh one? I never knew I could ask that.
You can always ask, politely. Now, can I have is your best friend for anything extra. Can I have a bag, please? Can I get some extra napkins? Can I have ketchup? Can I have a straw?
Can I have, and then whatever I need? That works for everything.
Everything. Can I have is the magic phrase at any restaurant. Now, role play. I am the McDonald's staff. You are the customer. Full experience. Action. Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Can I take your order?
Can I have a minute, please?
Of course. Take your time.
Okay. I'll have a quarter pounder, please.
Great choice. Would you like to make that a meal?
Yes, please. Large size.
And what drink would you like?
Can I get a Coke, please? Actually, wait, can I change that to an orange juice?
Of course. Orange juice, no problem. Anything else?
Can I have extra sauce, please? And no onions.
Extra sauce, no onions. Got it. Is it for here or to go?
To go, please.
That will be $8.50. How would you like to pay?
Card, please.
Perfect. Your order number is 42. We will call you when it is ready.
Thank you. Oh, can I have a bag, please?
Absolutely. Here you go. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Cut. David, that was perfect.
Was it really? It felt natural. I was not even nervous.
Can I have a minute? I'll have. Make it a meal. Extra sauce. No onions. To go. Card, please. Can I have a bag? You used everything.
Without thinking. That is the best feeling.
When it comes out without thinking, you own it. Let us review all the key sentences from today.
Can I have a minute, please? Just a moment, please.
Ordering.
I'd like. Can I get? I'll have. 3 ways, all perfect.
Meal and size.
Yes, please. Make it a meal. Large size. Coke, please. Orange juice, please.
Here or to go.
For here, please. To go, please. Never, I want, eat here.
Never. Special requests.
No onions, please. Extra sauce, please. I am allergic to nuts.
Price and payment.
How much is that in total? Card, please. Actually, can I change that?
Problems and extras.
Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I am missing my fries. Can I have a bag, please? Can I get some extra napkins?
That is a complete meal in English.
No more pointing at the menu and saying, this one.
Never again. Now, something important before we go.
Tell me.
Important. Next time you go to any fast food restaurant, use these sentences. Real practice, real life, real English.
Real life is the best classroom.
Always. And if you make a mistake, that is fine. The staff will understand you. They hear all kinds of English every day. Just keep talking. Do not go silent.
Do not point at the menu and say, this one.
Exactly. Say, I'll have. Say, can I get? Say anything, but say it.
Say it every time. That is how it gets easy.
Please give this video a like if it helped you. Subscribe to Mabel Daily English for more real-life English lessons, and share it with a friend who needs this.
We read every comment, every single one.
And our question for you? Leave a comment below.
Yes, tell us, what do you always order at McDonald's? Write it in English. I'll have a quarter pounder with extra sauce and no onions. Your turn.
We cannot wait to read your orders. See you next time.
Bye everyone. Go practice at a real McDonald's.